Ghetto snowmaking 101. Don't make a part of your snowman. Just get a part of it and roll it across the street.
Dedication, preservation. Take a look inside your salvation. Do every good work. It takes patience like a butterfly. Transformation.
My son is actually at my mom's house. You can't see it from here, but that's her house down there. And I want to go get him and be like, son, do you want to play in the snow? Do you want to build a snowman? He's probably going to be like, no, it's cold. My son is not one of those.
You want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play.
I'm walking to get my kid. He wants to play in the snow. He's going to let me. We're going to take this walk together. I'm almost falling. Okay, look. He down here. They just went in the house. Look, this is so hood. Could y'all be able to live near y'all's parents? But my mom helps me a lot with my son. It's like right there. And I just left my house. Gabriel's here with his chap behind lips. Look what he trying to throw at me, y'all. Why he wrong for this? That's a snowball though, son. You gonna hit me with it though? That's how you feel. And you gonna pick up again. Look.
Okay.
Alright.
So,
don't throw that at me. We want to build a snowman.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Look what we found. We don't even have to roll the snow. We're just going to use this for our base. Here's one.
you might need
And there's two. Oh, is it heavy?
It's ice.
No. Is it?
Yeah.
Look, I couldn't find my gloves.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Ah! Okay, wait. You got to roll. Oh, God. I know they're going to be like, y'all loud. We got to roll it. Here's the driveway. Go put it over there so we can put it as our base. I'll help you roll it. Ghetto snowmaking 101. Don't make a part of your snowman. Just get a part of it and roll it across the street. Just find a part of it and just... It's the base of our snowman. We love the trail. Alright. There you go. Put it in the middle of the garage. Why is he breathing like that? You are out of shape. It's heavy.
Yeah,
He's right. We'll place the piece that we found on the top. Our Jack snowman that we're not really making. We're just placing ice pieces on top of one another. That we found. Our snowman looks jacked. Alright, now we gotta go find a head. Pick one of them little parts over there. That's where we drag our pieces. This is our snowman that we didn't actually roll. We just found random pieces and he looked crooked as a mug. Now we have to go find. No, we gotta go find some rocks and some sticks to put his arms. You like beat him in the face. It's okay, man. You'll be alright. It's a hard world out here when you're born. I feel like my son is trying to flirt with those little girls, yo.
What?
I was walking, I turned back and Gabriel was just looking up there on the balcony like, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. I was like, what are you doing?
I was looking at
And then he tried to throw snowballs at the little girls, y'all.
They're like 6.
Okay, well, let me find out you like them young. What is that?
I just want to throw some snowballs at the dog and them. For a snowball win.
What type of expression of love is that? Our snowman got problems, y'all. It got a heart. It got an ice box where a heart used to be. Look. I got an ice box where my heart used to be. Gabriel fixed his chest. Man. He got holes in his body. Our snowman ain't got no butt. It's all flat in the back. Why he look like this though? Gabriel trying to get.
Oh, there we go.
He killed my friend. Dun dun dun. He killed him. That's his heart. How could you do it? He's dead. Alright, me and my son, we're going back in the house because we cold. Where he at? This is our snowman. He looks like he got problems because he fell on the ground. He fell backwards and we cold and now we done. And I told him I was going to take a picture next to his snowman and he ashamed of it. He like, alright, let me try to fix it. But That's you trying to fix it so you don't have to be ashamed of your snowman. People done already seen it now. That's not gonna make it better.
At least it's thick.
Oh yeah, it is. Alright, okay. I mean, he got little rolls, but he good. Alright, let's put a face on him. You wanna put it? Well, we can't find no rocks. I don't feel like going in the house. Hold on, we tried to add some eyes like this and it didn't work. So Gabriel's ready to go inside and make, and that's it. And I'm ready to go inside too. Why is he doing this? Look, I look real crazy, y'all. I know y'all barely recognize me. Y'all are like, who is this without that makeup on? Wanted to show y'all my coat. My mother got this for me for Christmas, and it is so nice and warm. Going back to my house. That's enough of this snow shenanigans. I am cold. Bye, y'all. Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.